I think the residents in our authority would be surprised to learn just the magnitude of our projects. As a region, we're spending close to $4.5 billion on joint projects. We're spending another $2 billion on our individual distribution projects, bringing water from Lake Houston, 55 miles across town, to the Grand Parkway and I-10 through a 96-inch diameter water line that you could drive your pickup truck through is a scale of a project that is very difficult to comprehend when you look at it on paper. You look at the costs on paper until you can stand and walk through the inside of a pipeline that size. You really don't understand what a Herculean effort it really is to implement this conversion and what's required to make that happen.